Hello everyone, this is Rudrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I am going to show you this no makeup look. This is my go-to no makeup look and I use very less amount of products, at the same time very less product as well to achieve this look, and all the products are affordable. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So for my go-to makeup look, I always prefer to use very less products, because a lot of product, it takes so much time to apply, to blend, and at the same time it gives really sweat on the face, and it also very bothering when it comes to humidity in India. So I feel like lesser amount of products is best when it comes to regular makeup. So I always try to do this type of makeup, because it comes with skincare, it comes with protective of sunscreens, and at the same time it also give a nice freshness onto the entire face. So I absolutely love to have this kind of look when it comes to my go-to makeup. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, then please keep on watching. So firstly, I will start with applying a lot of moisturizer onto my skin. My skin is sometimes drying and sometimes combination type of skin, so I always try to give a nice moisturization on my face. So for that I'm using this the Face Shop Chia Seed moisturizing cream. This is their hydro cream, and I will take generous amount of this product, and after that I will take this and I will apply it all over my face. So this is a really lightweight moisturizing cream. At the same time it gives really nice moisturization and hydration onto the skin, so I absolutely love that. And after that I will apply sunscreen, and this is really important to apply sunscreen whether you are into your home or you are going outside. So for that I am using this Aqualogica Radiance Dewy sunscreen, and this is how it looks like. So this gives really nice dewy look, which I absolutely love. So I'm taking some amount of this product and I will apply all over my face. So talking about this sunscreen, this is really lightweight and gives really nice dewy look. So the entire look comes together really nice. So I'm just applying this like this way. Next I'm going to apply CC cream, and I am using this really very lesser amount. So for regular no makeup look I use very less amount of products, as I told you earlier. So I'm just applying like this way. This is in the shade of 02 Honey, and no need to use any brush or sponge. It will evenly apply it, and it gives really nice coverage. We do not need very high coverage product for regular use. So I'm applying like this way. Here my pimple scars are coming throughout this CC cream, but I really do not mind, because this is my skin, so this is absolutely fine. So this is how my skin looks like now. So we will move towards some concealer, and I'm taking this concealer. This is from Inside Cosmetics, taking this shade. So I do not want to highlight my under eye area, but I just give some coverage only. So I'm just applying this like this way, and I'm just blending it away. So next I will apply very less amount of the setting powder, and I will just go to like this way. Next I will apply some blush, and for this I am taking this Simply Nam blush, and this is in the shade of salmon pink, and this is how it looks like. It's a really beautiful shade. Just take very less amount into my finger, and I will apply just my apples on my cheek. And I will also apply some on my nose and my eyelid as well, just to give that, a flush of freshness. And we're done with our blush. Next I will apply some highlighter, and for that I am using this Swiss Beauty highlighter. You can skip this part, but I am just applying a very less amount of product. Just a touch of highlighter, and we will then finger. And extra in my nose, forehead, some here and here. So now we will move towards our eyebrows. As for eyebrows, I am using this Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set eyebrow gel. So I'm just taking some amount, and we'll just fill this like this way. Next is eyes. So for that, firstly I will curl my eyelashes. And for mascara, I am using this Maybelline Sky High mascara. Gives really nice length. So this is the last part of this look, and this is the lip color. And for lip, I really use very less amount of product. So for lips, I am using this Blue Heaven lip tint. This is in the shade of Raspberry Love, and I am just taking very less amount. We are done. So yeah, this is the look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. All the purchase links will be listed below in the description box. If you want to check out anything, please go ahead and check out. We'll see you into my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.